Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot access your ZTE Blade V70 Vita using your lock screen pattern. First of all, if you have an alternative way to sign into your device, for example fingerprint or face unlock, then use it as an opportunity to back up your data to either a Google Drive or an external SD card, and then perform a factory reset operation through settings, or no, we won't be able to do this through settings, through the recovery mode. If you need a guidance on how to perform a factory reset operation through the recovery mode on the smartphone, you can check a separate video on our channel where we explain this process step by step. However, if you don't need much guidance on that, basically in order to enter the recovery mode, you have to turn off your device by holding down the power button and selecting power off option on your screen. Then once your device is fully powered off, you're gonna have to press and hold power button and volume up keys at the same time until you see the ZTE logo. Then release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key until you are in the recovery mode. In the recovery mode, using volume keys to navigate and power button to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm on the second screen, and then reboot system now to restart your phone. Then then your phone will be factory reset, and you'll be able to reset up your account and set up a new password for yourself. And once you finish the setup or the reset up, just return all the data back to your device. Restore all the data from the backup. Now, in case you cannot access your device, then the best solution would be reaching out to ZTE customer support service and asking them to help you out with your issue. If you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will be able to help you out without removing any data from your smartphone. So they will drop the password from your smartphone without removing any data. That's why I consider this option to be the best one. Now, if you cannot do that, if you cannot, for example, prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, then you can still perform a factory reset operation either through the recovery mode, as I explained it earlier in the video, or if you have a Google account set up on your device, you can remotely perform a factory reset operation of this smartphone. Now, to do that, just grab any other device around you that has, any of your devices, of course, that has access to the internet, and open a web browser on it and find the Find Hub website. For some reason it won't show, so it's Find Hub website. It's a Google service, and what you're gonna have to do is sign in to your Google account on this website, the one that you have linked to your ZTE, and then go to devices section. Now in the devices section, you're gonna have to select your ZTE Blade smartphone, and once you do that, you're gonna have to select factory reset device and perform a factory reset operation of your device, and then reset up your account once again. However, of course, this way you will lose all of your personal data stored on your smartphone, and it's unavoidable unless you can somehow back your data up beforehand. And one last thing, in case you do remember your device's pattern but your phone won't accept it in the normal mode, then this might be due to some third-party application interference or maybe some background activity interference. And in order to outrule any of these and try to sign into the clean system without any background activities, we're gonna have to restart our smartphone into the safe mode. And to do that, just hold down the power button for a while until the power menu appears on the screen. Select restart, confirm, and then all we're gonna have to do is wait until the device is restarted, and wait until you see the ZTE logo on your screen. Now wait for about 3 seconds. 3 to 5 seconds, and after these 3 to 5 seconds, start holding down the volume down key and keep holding it until your phone vibrates. Now you can release it, and this will redirect you to the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Enter your pattern once again, and if it gets accepted this time, before trying to figure out which application could have caused this kind of issue, go to settings, then go to security and privacy, select device unlock, go to screen lock, confirm your password and switch it to none, or you can use swipe to, it's basically the same thing, and then restart your smartphone in a regular way. Just hold down the power button, select restart, and wait until your phone is restarted. And that's basically all the options that you have in this situation. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.